Our story for today is Little Blue Truck by Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said a piggy, beep went Blue. Cluck said a chicken, and her chick said beep. Ma said a goat, Blue said beep. Neigh said a horse, quack said a duck, beep said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dump. Around a curve he saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk deep down in muck and mire. Honk! Cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard, or nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, help, help! Cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, beep, beep! I'm stuck, I'm stuck! Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up? But the big green toad. All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bah, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. So it's always important, boys and girls, to remember, always take the time to give an extra helping hand to someone who may need it. Even if they don't always deserve it, we always want to try to be a friend to everyone. Have a great day.